Well, we got a talk update as of 6:45 a.m. PST, August 25th. We got a thunderstorm outside, so we're gonna have claps of thunder. But anyways, Fernand hasn't really become much better organized, but and then went with 45 knots. We could take a look at it. And we have decent convection, but the LC is starting to decouple, as you can see. And the HC, as of right now, has kept it at 45 knots. Here's the track goes northeastward out to sea. It's going northeastward at 12 miles per hour. Should continue to do so. Could strengthen a little bit more, but it's starting to be influenced by shear. So we don't expect much strengthening. In fact, it could have already, what can I say, reached its peak. Should be moving more northeastward than east-northeastward in after about 72 hours, based on the models. Anyway, this is what we got for this. We don't expect much more from this. No effect to land. Next is Juliet, which has just been named as of this morning a tropical storm. It looks much better. A little bit of easterly shear, but we expect some more strengthening. Yeah, it just got upgraded to Juliet. Move west northwest at 13 miles per hour. Expected to head more northwestward after about 48 hours, staying clearly away from land. Could strengthen for the next 24 hours before weakening, probably up to 45 to 50 knots. Becoming remnant low by 72 hours. No threat to land, like I just said. So yeah. Next, we're gonna look at the Eastern Pacific. We got a system that could form in the next 7 days south of Mexico, but I mean it's only at 20%. The Atlantic 99 has more or less zero chance of formation. I'm gonna just drop it. Always keep an eye on it. Who knows? But the Gulf of Honduras system probably has just as much chance, which is pretty damn low. Really nothing else worthy of watching. A longer term,